three basic things that we see as ways partners can make money with the cloud. The first is on consulting services. We created the first cloud architecture cert. So you can go in and look at a customer's architecture, determine what should be public, private, and hybrid. The second is around really the biggest opportunity that we see in the market for deployment, and that's around a private cloud. So that's really making sure that a customer has multi-tenancy capability and provisioning inside of their environment. And then the third is public, which is where all the buzz happens to be today, but it's actually the least used in the marketplace. But we do help our partners in that area to experiment and start to get used to it with things like Lotus Live. So those are really the three ways that we see partners get involved in the cloud today. So we have two fabulous workshops for partners to really develop their cloud strategy. One is called the Cool Cloud Cash Workshop, and that is really about helping partners determine how they can make money from the cloud. So it focuses on the business model. How many skills do you need? Where do you place them? How do you go after opportunity? Really focused on that business model area. And then we also announced the world's first cloud computing center. It's a hands-on lab based in Hersley, but of course it's in the cloud, so it's accessible around the world. And it helps partners with things like scalability, security, multi-tenancy. So technology items that partners can really delve into with experts right there on site. Yeah, so earlier this year we made a major announcement around a new authorization called the Security Cross Capability Authorization. And this is really in place to help our partners who both sell in the cloud as a deployment model as well as in traditional IT areas. And what it does is it pulls the best of areas from all of our brands on security. So how do you look at your identity management? How do you look at overall security and multi-tenancy? And it combines that in a single authorization, both on how to sell it across the cloud or other deployment offerings, as well as the technology that's behind it. So we just reviewed it actually this morning, and the partners' response is tremendous, and as well, clients really value this because you're coming at it as a holistic solution, not as a whole bunch of piece parts.